Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Southport 30 build. We're gonna give you guys a quick update here as Shannon is going to town. As you look behind us here, we're starting to get the hardtop lined up and we have to lay everything all out here. So you take a look, we've got our rigid light bar, we've got our FLIR M300, and we've got our Phantom radar. If we take a quick kind of side profile view, you see we're going to have some fitment issues there, so that's why we lay everything out. So we're getting that sorted out. We're gonna figure out what we have to do to make sure that the radar clears our FLIR camera so that everything is all nice. So while we're trying to get that adjusted and set up, you look over here, Shannon is hard at work under the leaning post. We've got a GSD26, a GSD25, and a pair of the JL amps that all have to go into that space. So he's gonna go ahead, we're gonna get those all fitted up, wired in and everything, and those are all gonna get mounted up. We've also got our black G10 in. We use that to mount all of the electronics too, so all of our Lumishore, all of those things are also gonna get mounted in the under the helm area there. That's also going to get taken care of and mounted up. So plugging away, getting things taken care of here on this Southport as we keep throwing more and more stuff at it. You guys want to know anything else about this install? Leave it down below in the comments. You know the deal. Give us a follow, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff on Instagram, YouTube, and we'll give you an update here real soon. Peace.